User Manager Pro, part of the User Manager Pro Suite, or UMPS, is a virtual Swiss Army knife of tools to report on virtually everything that is happening on your Windows system so you can take the necessary corrective actions. UMPS frees up valuable man-hours by allowing administrative tasks to be performed en masse rather than one by one. This video shows the installation and initial configuration of User Manager Pro. Begin by downloading the installer from www.liebsoft.com and saving this to a location that you have access to. UMPS will install on any modern Windows operating system including Windows Server 2012 R2 and Windows 10, and be able to manage operating systems from Windows NT 4 through Windows Server 2012 R2 and Windows 10. UMPS does require administrative rights to install and run. UMPS will also require a Microsoft SQL database, version 2008 and newer, to utilize its reporting capabilities. To begin the installation, double-click the installer and confirm any UAC prompts you may receive. Click Next past the Welcome page. Accept the End User License Agreement after reading it and confirming that you, in fact, do agree with it. Identify your organizational information. Choose the location to install. By default, User Manager Pro will install to the User Manager Pro subdirectory under the defined location. And click Next to allow the install to finish. The installation won't take very long, and once that's done, simply open the application. On an initial installation, you will be prompted for a key. If you do not have a key, simply use the existing demo key that is present in the dialog already and click OK. You will note that you receive a demo mode dialog. Click OK. Now, User Manager Pro's installation is complete. So, to begin the initial configuration of User Manager Pro, a database will be required to leverage all of the reporting features in UMP. To configure the database, go to the Settings menu and select Reporting Data Store options. Select SQL Server and identify the information, putting in the name of the database host, create a new database on the server if one does not already exist, and identify the schema to which it will belong. You can use any custom schema name you wish, otherwise DBO should be provided by default. Click OK to continue. Now that User Manager Pro is connected to a database, simply click Add to define a management set of systems to manage. A management set is a collection of machines that is used to group machines together for tasks or other organizational purposes. Click Custom Management Set, provide a name, and choose the appropriate method from which to add systems, including explicitly adding systems, browsing your domain's Windows NT style, IP address ranges, data sources, which allows you to query any CMDB out there that has system names in it, or as we'll do, and most customers do, Active Directory paths. Click the New button and choose the domain, container, or OUs in question. We will simply be adding every machine from the domain, so the top-level domain will be selected. Click OK. If necessary, provide any custom LDAP filters to filter out any systems you want to include or do not want to include. Click OK. If your deferred processing service is not installed, you will be prompted to install it now. It is not a necessary feature to perform any action in User Manager Pro with the exception of scheduled jobs. For now, we will click No, we do not wish to install a deferred processing service. You will next be prompted to update the management set members. Click Yes. In this case, this will query Active Directory for the list of machines and add them to the management set. Now that systems have been added into User Manager Pro is now ready to manage these systems. Thank you for watching this video.